Yeah. So unfortunately, she got the
I did the door wrong. Let's undo this thing. First, I have to undo this one.
She put it on backwards.
I don't even know if I did this one. Yeah, I
Hello.
did. Undo this. There we go. Come on. The other way. Okay.
So.
Now let's just undo it. Huh? Oh, I don't even need to undo that.
What was that? Here's the biggest of them all.
Okay. Okay.
Let's also fix to make sure she doesn't put it on backwards. You put it on backwards.
I didn't. I know what I'm doing now. There.
She doesn't.
Okay.
She doesn't.
Just get the screw gun. Yeah.
She doesn't know what she's doing. So it's wobbly. So it's wobbling a lot. That's avalanche. 1 or 2.
Is it? Hold on.
Oh my god. Let me make it. Here. I'm gonna make it the backwards door handle. There we go.
It's not even bolted in.
Oh my god, this is really good. So zoom in a lot.
I can unscrew that. This is very hard.
There's a weird person.
You guys don't understand how hard. Oh, I got the picture of my channel. It's called Avalanche, right? Yeah, Avalanche. Yeah, do it. Avalanche. I have some videos here. It's actually my first video I did. I have a couple videos. Wait, ready?
Where's the mic at?
Look at.
Oh my god. You know,
Oh, look at.
where's the mic at?
Tristan, look at. Sitting on top of my ear.
Oh my god. Where's the mic at? Oh, don't do it.
Okay, let me see how big these ones are.
I'm gonna totally quit it. No. So, peace out, bros. That's the backwards door handle thing. So, yeah. Yeah.
Bam, bam, bam.
That's a crazy person. And it's gonna end like this.